Want to speak real Czech from your first lesson? Sign up for your free lifetime account at czechclass101.com.
Hi everyone, I'm Jolana. Ahoj všichni, jsem Jolana. Welcome to the Czech whiteboard lessons. In this lesson, you learn how to say where you are from and basic vocabulary related to Czech regions. Let's get started. Okay, let's look at the vocabulary. First, we have Praha, Prague, Praha, Praha, Praha. Note that Praha is a feminine noun. Next is Čechy, Bohemia, Čechy, Čechy, Čechy. Note that Čechy is a feminine noun, always used in plural. Then we have Morava, Moravia, Morava, Morava, Morava. Note that Morava is a feminine noun. Next is Slezsko, Silesia, Slezsko, Slezsko, Slezsko. Note that Slezsko is a neutral noun. Let's look at the dialogue. When I read, I want you to pay attention to the name of the capital city. Find what the name is and see how it's used in the dialogue. Odkud jsi? Where are you from? Jsem z Prahy. I'm from Prague. Now let's look at some speaking examples. Jsem z Czech. I'm from Bohemia. Jsem z Moravy. I'm from Moravia. Jsem ze Slezska. I'm from Silesia. Also note that the preposition z, from, can take I if the following noun starts with the letter Z or S, like in the example, jsem ze Slezska. Now let's look at the sentence pattern. This pattern will be the structure that all of our dialogues will follow. Jsem z, place name. I'm from, place name. Note that the genitive case is required after certain prepositions, including z, from. So instead of using the nominative case of the name, you need to use the genitive. Let's see an example. Praha je hlavní město. Jsem z Prahy. Here, Praha is the nominative form, while Prahy is the genitive form. Čechy, Bohemia, is the western part of the Czech Republic. Morava, Moravia, is a region in the eastern part of the Czech Republic. Slezsko, Silesia, is a part in the northeast of the Czech Republic. Do you remember how to say I'm from? Jsem z. Jsem z. And do you remember how to say Prague? Praha. Praha. Do you remember how to say I'm from Prague? Jsem z Prahy. Jsem z Prahy. And how to say Bohemia? Čechy. Čechy. Do you remember how to say Moravia? Morava. Morava. and how to say Silesia. Slezsko. Slezsko. In this lesson, you'll learn how to say where you're from in Czech. Thanks for watching. I'm Jolana and I will see you on czechclass101.com. Brzy na viděnou!
Want to speed up your language learning? Take your very first lesson with us. You'll start speaking in minutes and master real conversations. Sign up for your free lifetime account. Just click the link in the description.